Welcome to our channel, where today we'll walk you through the simple process of logging into your LifePoints account with clear and easy steps. Welcome to our channel, where today we'll walk you through the simple process of logging into your LifePoints account with clear and easy steps. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once your browser is ready, type www.lifepoints.com into the address bar and press enter to navigate to the official LifePoints website. When the home page loads, look for the Login button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to access the login page. Here on the login page, you'll see fields to enter your credentials. Begin by typing your registered email address into the first field precisely as you used it during registration. Next, enter your password into the password field, carefully ensuring the accuracy of each character for security purposes. After carefully entering your details, double-check everything to avoid any errors. If you happen to forget your password, don't worry. Locate and click the Forgot Password link just below the password field and follow the instructions to reset it securely. Once your credentials are correctly filled in, click the Sign In button. This action will log you into your LifePoints account, allowing you access to all the features and surveys available to you. If your login attempt is unsuccessful, verify your email and password again and ensure your internet connection is stable. Additionally, clearing your browser cache and cookies can help resolve common login issues. For those new to LifePoints, if you haven't created an account yet, simply click on Join Now from the home page and follow the easy registration steps. After creating your account, repeat the login steps to access your dashboard. Remember to always keep your login details safe and never share them with others to protect your account. Now you are all set to start earning rewards by participating in surveys and exploring what LifePoints offers. Don't hesitate to explore all the resources and tutorials on the website to maximize your rewards experience.